I'll always be here for you. Yan.
When the sun sets and fades away, and the stars.
As in, parang ano lang po, nag-uusap kami na what if i-try natin try natin. Papayag ka ba kung liligawan ka? Ganun. Oo. Pero hindi pa talaga siya parang 100% attraction at that time. Parang nandun pa lang kami sa getting to know each other, kung magugustuhan ba talaga namin.
I say I love you from the depths of my heart.
Hi, love. Ang hirap mag-isip ng regalo kasi ako na ang natanggap mong pamasko. I know you told me not to give you anything, but I love spoiling you with gifts. Pinagpapasalamat ko kay God na syempre nagkatagpo kami ni Billy kasi dati parang feel ko parang imposible na yung dalawang tao is love na love talaga nila yung isa't isa. And then ayun mangyayari pala sa amin ni Billy.
Ito. Up.
Your name is the promise I keep. I see you smile.
Anong secret? Pag-intindi lang po sa isa't isa, saka yung pasensya kasi minsan syempre di naman kayo nagkaunawaan, pero ayun, give and take lang din sa relationship.
I say I love you from the depths.
To my husband. Wow. So I'm feeling so blissful to finally calling my husband. Marrying you is the best decision they ever had.
No matter how
made it.
far away we are, my love for you shines like a star.
To the love of my life, Billy, here's my simple gift to keep track of all the good times to come in our life. I love you and I can't wait to see you at the altar. From your very, very soon to be wife, Sheila.
My love will never say goodbye.
There is nothing impossible with God. Sa tao, imposible. Subalit sa Panginoon, walang imposible. Kaya laging manalangin, kaya sinasabi, a family that prays together, stays together.
It's where it starts. No matter how far away we are, my love for you shines like a star.
Huwag mong kalimutan lahat ng oras na kailangan mo si Lord. I know, andun siya.
All of my soul I belong to.
I mean, I promise to love you, of course, to take care of you, to support you. I'll promise that I will continue to love you, continue to choose you every day.
I am very much overwhelmed with emotions and everything. Lahat ng nangyayari from preparation. Actually, from meeting you to marrying you. From the preparations.
I don't love anyone the way I love.
Thank you, anak, at lumaki ka ng maayos at naging mapagmahal ka sa mga magulang at kapatid. Sana huwag kang magbago sa ugali mo at sa pamilya mo na kung magkakaanak ka man, sana kung paano pagpapalaki namin sa'yo, gawin mo rin para mas mahalin ka rin ng pamilya.
I will spend my lifetime loving you. During the toughest times and the better days, I promise to be on your side. To support you and to care for you. To be your friend, your protector, and your lover.
If I know what love is, it's because of you. You light my fire, yeah, that's the whole truth. I know it's easy to get
kung kailangan mo, kung wala man ako sa tabi mo, isipin mong nasa likuran mo lang ako, magpupush tayo.
Top of my lungs, past, present, future. They know you.
Mas magiging better ako sa current na mag-girlfriend, boyfriend ka. Kasi ngayon husband and wife na tayo.
I don't love anyone. No, I don't love anyone. I don't love anyone the way I love you.
I am yours now and forever. Forever and always. Your loving husband, Bill.
Magaling lang.